I'm Ellen. Today I'm going to make Dalgona coffee. This is a really sweet coffee and you need something to stir, a coffee, instant coffee, and a bowl with sugar and a hot water. Now when you put out the coffee, you put sugar, which is the sugar, in here. I used this kind of coffee and I used this kind of sugar. And then you put boiling hot water. Now it's time to stir. First, the color is like this. I'll stir it 4,000 times and come back. I'll put 2 more sugars. See this? I keep stirring and it's not changing at all. I bet the color changed a little bit. It is kind of too watery. Oh, so hard. Until the milk, and then you put this inside here.
Enough. Looks beautiful. Wow.
Oh,
My goodness. Oh, beautiful.
this is beautiful, really beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ellie.